Well, I caught my wife with another man, and it cost me 99. On a prison farm in Georgia, close to the Florida line. Well, I've been here for 2 long years. I finally made the warden my friend, so he sentenced me to a life of ease, taking care of old Red. Now old Red, he's the damnedest dog that I've ever seen. Got a nose that could smell a 2-day train. He's a 4-legged tracking machine. You can't consider yourself mighty lucky to get past the gators in the quicksand beds. But all these years that I've been here, ain't nobody got past Red. And the warden saying, come on somebody, why don't you run? Old Red's itching to have a little fun. Get my lantern, get my gun, a little levy tree for the morning come. Yes. Well, I paid off the guard and slipped out a letter to my cousin up in Tennessee. Oh, and he brought down a blue tin can. She was pretty as she could be. Well, they pinned her up in the swampland. It's about a mile just south of the gate. And I take old Red for his evening run. I just drop him off and wait. And then warden sang, come on somebody, why don't you run? Old Red's itching to have a little fun. Get my lantern, get my gun, a little levy tree for the morning.